Sorry about the TV, but if I get up, I think the kitty will run off. Gets along with all the animals, rubs up on them, lets them clean them, which I don't know if it's a boy or a girl yet. But other than being leery of humans, the kitten is making himself at home. And it was funny, my husband's like, oh God, no, not another cat. But after 2 days of Dottie whining and wanting the kitten, just to love on it, she thinks everything's her baby, which they're by me now. No, stay over here. Dottie, stay back. Rolly's going to try to get that piece of cat food. Rolly. So I guess we're done for now. I'll pause it and see if they come back as soon as the dogs settle down. But anyway, after hearing all the whining and Leo's at the glass and pawing at the glass, no, Rolly, trying to, no, dogs cannot have cat food. They cannot have cat food. Anyway, he goes, just crack the door open. And that's what I did a video. My last video posted was the door cracked open and the kitten coming in. Nope. You guys just stay back. Let the kitten eat. You had breakfast. So, as soon as it learns I'm okay, I'll find out if it's a boy or girl and get the kitten to the vet. But even before what I was telling, continuing my story, before my husband even went ahead and said, oh, just crack the door open, because we were watching AGT and Dottie's whining over the TV and being all insane. He went and sat outside trying to get the kitten to see him and come to him. He knew exactly where he was when I went out there. And because we let Dottie out and it didn't even run off, she just ran over to a corner. But I've done this a few times, you know, trying to get him closer and closer, let him know I'm okay. Are you scratching, Dottie? But I can't really film him doing this with the flash on. I apologize. That's just Dottie shaking. Yeah, snuggles up with all the pets. And the Siamese one of my son's cat, Sassy, hisses and hisses, and he just sat down right in front of her, and then Sassy starts licking on him. Or her. I'm trying to pet Dottie so she won't go. Dottie will kind of want to run after her, but just playing to her. And the kitten hasn't even gotten scared, just slowly goes around the other side of the chair and back and forth. But you know, she, or whatever, the kitten, try not to say he or she, has viewed Dottie through the window and maybe even outside some without so maybe that's why she wasn't afraid. But stop, Dottie. I'm sorry, I got 2 dogs and trying to do this and talk at the same time, and we all know I'm not comfortable talking on video yet. I'm trying. I kind of got out of the habit there when I was hurting for 2 months, and it's okay. Air conditioner kicked on. Stop. Dottie, maybe you're getting too close to comfort. Maybe. I know it's a baby. I see the baby. Is that your baby? You miss having kittens crawling all over you? Do you? Yeah. Poor Dottie. I'm sure she wishes she was a mommy. Yeah. You're a good substitute, Mommy. You sure are. Yeah. I love you. I probably should have closed those curtains, and maybe there wouldn't have been that glare. No, Dottie. You just lay down. Mama keep petting you. Lay down. Sorry. I was getting both my hands busy. I'm sorry. I didn't forget. There you go. Good girl. But Dottie always, between all the cats, or even a cat and dog or whatever, anytime it even sounded like there was rough play or a fight going on, she runs in and breaks it all up. She's the peacemaker. You didn't run out of food. Oh. Leo scared you when he walked by? Okay, well, I think that's about all I'm gonna get for now. Thanks for watching.